Welcome to 35401 North Mandarin Drive in Queen Creek, Arizona, where space, style, and everyday comfort come together effortlessly. This home offers the open layout today's buyers are searching for, with light-filled living spaces and a design that flows beautifully room to room. The kitchen anchors the home with generous counter space, modern finishes, and an easy connection to the main living areas, perfect for entertaining or daily life. The primary suite feels like a true retreat, offering privacy and space to unwind, while the additional bedrooms provide flexibility for guests, home offices, or growing families. Step outside and enjoy an Arizona backyard designed for year-round living, whether you're hosting friends or enjoying quiet evenings under the desert sky. Located in the heart of Queen Creek, just minutes from shopping, dining, and top-rated schools, with easy access to Gilbert and Chandler, this home delivers the lifestyle so many buyers are moving here for. If Queen Creek is on your list, this is one you are not going to want to miss. I'm Laura Hall with Arizona's Finest at the Ave Collective.